Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set inbox categories in your Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to settings, click on it. Scroll down again to the inbox section and then click on inbox type. So here you can select from inbox types: important, first, unread, start or priority inbox. Select the relevant one, then click on done, and then the inbox type has been set. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.